Hey guys, have you ever come across a weaving and wondered how to get that same look at the top of your work when creating a macrame piece? It's easier than you think. Here's how to do it. Instead of individually adding your cords to your dowel using Lark's head knots, grab several cords at once and add them to your dowel. I have 9 cords which I'll be adding to my piece in 3 groups of 3. Fold 3 pieces of string in half and attach them all at once to your dowel using a Lark's head knot. Add the other 2 groups using the same process. Tie a line of horizontal double half hitch knots across your work. If you are having trouble tying a straight line of double half hitch knots, please see the description for a link to another one of my tutorials for a few tips and tricks. Adjust the Lark's head knots at the top of your work if necessary. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.